ISEC 213 final project, Anna Marie and Marjorie. Then going to my database. Then this is my database. IS3C Anna Marie underscore customer. Then click the schema. Then to table, going to table. And my database has three tables. One is booking, second is checking out order, and the last is staff. Then next is going back to my database, click query tools, then input create extension, create extension if not exist, if not exist Postgres underscore post, Postgres underscore FDW and try to execute. Then Postgres FDW is already exists. Then going to current data wrapper. Then click. Then click. Then this and create current server. Then name is room underscore server. Room is my database of partner, Marjorie Lianza. Then going to option, have three options. One is host. Oops, please lang. Host. Value is local host. Next is DB name. The value is IS3C underscore Anna Marie customers. Customer. This is my database. Then the last is port. Port, the value of port is 5432. Then click save. Then ser server customer is already exists. Then close. Then click yes. And going to user mapping. Then create. Create user mapping. Then Postgres change to current user. Then option have two options. One is user. The value of user is Postgres. Then next is password. The value of password is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then click save. Then user mapping Postgres already exists for server room. Then next is close. Click yes. Then on Postgres, going to Postgres. Then query tool. Then input, import foreign schema or schema public from server room underscore server into public, then execute. Then relation is booking is already exists. Then back to my DB name, Anna Marie customer. Then click query tool. Then select. Select asterisk from guest. Semicolon. Then try to execute. And guest is the table of my partner Marjorie, and this is the data output of guest. Then change the guest to hotel. Try to execute. Then another. This is the data output of Marjorie. Next is room. Try to execute. And another data output. Then the last is category. Then try to execute. Then this is the database of Marjorie. That's then going to back up the replication. Then click query tools. Then select. I select from asterisk from stuff. The table stuff is my own. And then try to execute. Then this is the data output of my table. Then another table. My table is booking. Then try to execute. Then this is the data output of booking. Then next is Marjorie Lianza.
My database is3c Marjorie underscore room. Going to schemas. My database has 4 tables: category, guest, hotel, and room. Going back to my database, create query tool. Put create extension. If not exist, Postgres underscore fdw, then execute. So extension Postgres underscore fdw is already exist. Going to foreign data wrappers. Click, click foreign data wrappers. Click. Then, Postgres FDW. Right click. Create foreign server. Name. Customer. Underscore. Server. Then to options. 3 options. First, local host. Value, localhost. DB name, is3c underscore Marjorie underscore room, my database. Next, port value is 5432. Then save. Server, customer server is already exist. Then close. Okay, yes. Then proceed to user mapping. User mapping. Create user mapping. Change Postgres to current user. Then options. 2 options. First is user. Small letter user. Then value. Postgres. Password. 1234. Save. Then user mapping for Postgres is already exist for server, customer server. Then close. Yes. Down to user mapping. Postgres. Create query tool. Create query tool. For import, select import foreign schema. Public schema public from server, customer underscore server into public. Then execute into public. Then execute. Relation booking is already exist. Back to my database. Create query tool. Select asterisk from staff Ana Marie table. Then the data output. Next is booking. Then okay, this is the data output. Next, for the replication, going to backup, my backup, query tool, select asterisk from guest, then run, then This is the data output of my table, guest. Next, hotel. Run. This is the data output of hotel. Next, room. Run. This is the data output of room. And last one, category. Execute. Then OK. The data output of category.
Next is in here using three queries that will use joins to get the data from my partner database where the query is usable in practice. Going to my database, Ana Marie underscore customer, then create query tools, then paste the three query, then one is test, then try to execute, then this is the data output, and use case, these queries can be used to match hotel room to the hotel capacity on a specific floor. It's provided details about the rooms and their associated hotel. If the number of floor where the rooms are located does not exceed the hotel capacity, the purpose this query is might be used by hotel management or a room allocation system to ensure rooms are properly assigned within the physical constraint of the hotel. Then next, try to execute. Then this is the data output. And the use case, this query can be used to describe details about guests and the room they are assigned to. It combines guest information with room details for tracking or reporting. The purpose of data output is it may be used by receptionists or front desk staff to quickly look up guest reservation and reference along with room assignment. Then the last join and try to execute, and this is the data output. And use case, this query can be used to categorize hotel by their service type or classification. It's provided details about the hotel alongside its assigned, then category, etc. The purpose of data output is this query is useful for travel, agency, hotel, comparison platforms, or management tools that need to organize then filter hotel based on category. And that's all. Next is Marjorie Lianza.
My database, is3c underscore Marjorie room. Create query tool. Then my three joins. First, from staff. Execute. Then this query retrieves the total number of check-in and check-out records handled by each staff member. Next, for room. Try to execute. Then the data output. So this query can be used to match hotels rooms to the hotel's capacity on a specific floor. It provides details about the rooms and their associated hotel if the number of floors where the rooms are located does not exceed the hotel's capacity. Its purpose, this query might be used by hotel management or a room allocation system to ensure rooms are properly assigned within the physical constraints of the hotel. Next, for booking, this is the data output. This query retrieves details of check-in and check-out records along with the associated booking and staff handling the process. And that's all.